Assemble the rotating blade to the output shaft. Use one pin shaft and one pin to secure blade. Remove the pin and pin shaft first, then secure the outer blade to the middle blade. Install the walking wheels assembly onto the toe body. Insert the 10 by 95 mm pin shaft into the pivot hole and secure it with an R-pin. Pass the height adjustment arm through the walking wheel and support body. Put in the Phi 8 washer, spring, and another Phi 8 washer in turn, then secure with R-pin. Insert the resistance bar into the toe body and fix it with a pin shaft and R-pin. Align the upper handle with the lower handle. Insert square bolt M8x85 into the connection of upper and lower handles. Place the gaskets in sequence and secure them with a tightening handle. Use screws to secure the front cover. Fix the fender with M6 bolt, nut and Phi 6 washer. Use the cable clip to secure cable.